a song called Plumb by this group Widowpeak. I believe they're kind of a relatively new group. Yeah, I have like some chorus, heavy chorus on my guitar, and some reverb. Anyways, I was playing around with something else. I don't feel like changing it. I like it. It sounds good on this song. You're a peach and I'm plum. I feel stupid. I feel numb. You're a peach. I'm a plum. Okay, so very cool, and there's some lead guitar in it too, which I like as well, and I'll cover that at the end. But the main, this is kind of like a riff, you know, in chord form. So it starts out in D, goes to G, and then there's a 3-chord kind of like statement. And that is B minor, A, G. So that's a descending series of chords. Descending, I mean the bass is going lower and lower. B minor. If you don't play bar chords, you can probably get away with taking this A minor and sliding your index finger up to the 3rd fret. And like I think if you hit the top like 3 strings and then do the same thing on the A, you know, just hit the top 3 strings, makes it sound like you're doing that on purpose, like for an effect. Alright, but really you're doing that because you're using this substitute for the B minor chord, which is just your A minor up 1 whole step at your 3rd fret. These fingers are on the 4th fret. Alright, I totally messed up the lyrics, so just don't sing those lyrics that I sing. It's going from that B minor. They're not playing, you know, they're not strumming full chords like that. What they're playing exactly what I showed you for the B minor. They're just playing strings 4, 3, and 2. And then they're going strings 4, 3, and 2 on for the A, and then they're just playing strings 4, 3, and 2 open for the G, because the guitar has like an open G chord in the tuning. So if you want to just play those 3 strings like in an arpeggio sequence, makes you sound really good at the guitar. You can do that. It's really cool. All right, so let's talk about this guitar solo. Very cool, tasty guitar in there. And it's playing in the B minor pentatonic. So it's playing at the 2nd fret on the 5th string would be a root if you're playing it in this position. And so that's a 2, 5, 2, 4 on the D string, 2, 4 on the G string, 3, 5 on the B string, and 2, 5 on the high E. This is what he's doing a lot, or she's doing. This is your root note, D. All right, they're using the B minor pentatonic. You could also use the D major. It's the same notes. So this is a D. The song is in the key of D. So that your high E string is in the B minor pentatonic. So he's using open strings and fretted strings together, and he's doing like some country kind of licks. Your open B is in there too. Up Widowpeak, Plumb. There's a song called Plumb. All right, I showed you a bunch of stuff on the 2nd fret. You could also play at the 7th fret on the 6th string. 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10. There's other notes in there that you're gonna have to find, but most of the melody and a lot of licks can be played here. You could do any kind of country lick. I think the melody is. So it's all right there waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and appreciate you taking the time, and I hope you enjoy and have fun with this song. Bye.